Okay, so here I am back at my desktop, and you'll see that I have my last name, first name, Photoshop file, and the JPEG file on my desktop from previously. Now I'm going to open up the AI Illustrator file. I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to say Open with CS5, Illustrator CS5, and there it is. Now right away, the first thing I'm going to do, because I can't stand it, is I want to get rid of this grid. And that's under View, let's see, Show, where is it actually? Hide grid. Ah, there, thankfully I can see better. Some people like the grid. I find it very, very distracting. Okay, so here I am, and now you'll see things work a little differently in Illustrator. You have what's called an artboard, which is where the design resides, and we'll use that for cropping. Now I'm not going to do a design here. I'm just going to quickly show you how to move things around. It's very similar. I hold the Alt key down and I can move a shape over. I can do shape here. If I want to arrange shapes, if I want to put something behind something, if I want to put this on top, I click on it. I would go to Object, Arrange, bring to front. That's how I do that. Now if I want to rotate something, I can actually just automatically, I'm in the so-called transform mode, I can just do it. And again, if I want to hold the Shift key down, first let's undo that, Command Z or Control Z. If I hold the Shift key down, it does it in those same kind of increments. So that part's the same. And if I get all my shapes, you can see I pulled that over without using the Alt key. You want to make sure you do that. I'll pull them back. How about that? There we go. If I want to just create, let's create a different design here. Whoops, I didn't do it right. There we go. Alt key, there, now I have a copy. So let's say I create a totally different design here. And then I want to bring that to the front, Object, Arrange, bring to front. And then let's just assume I have all four. And there we go. And now, how do you save? Same thing. File. First I want to save as an Illustrator file. And I would rename it last name. Of course, for our file names, we always do last name, first name, underscore, week 1A3, save, and then Illustrator CS5, yes, and then File, Save for Web and Devices, and that gives us the same option here. And I would just go with JPEG, maximum 100, that's fine, save. Now you could do a slightly lower version too. Oh, can't do it, that's right, I already did that. So I'm just going to save it as a slightly different name. And I just changed the name for that. I won't do it now. Anyway, you get the idea. Okay?